Hey guys, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be sharing an alternative to the Amazon Associates affiliate program, and I'm going to be doing a comparison with both websites. Alright, so this is Amazon Associates, and it's basically an affiliate program for Amazon. So when you share products from the links that you get from the Amazon Associates dashboard, when you share those links and people click on those links and they purchase something, it doesn't have to be necessarily the product that you were showcasing. If they purchase something on Amazon, then you get a commission for that. There is another website that I discovered that was very interesting that I wanted to share with you guys. And it's called MagicLinks. It does something similar in that it is an affiliate program, but I'm going to share the differences here in this video. So I'm going to go back and forth between both Amazon Associates and MagicLinks, and I'm going to say pros and cons for both. So let's start with Amazon Associates because we know that one very well. So Amazon Associates is an affiliate program for Amazon. It is a free program. It's really great because everyone knows Amazon and everyone trusts Amazon, and Amazon has millions and millions of products. They pretty much almost have everything. So you get a commission off of products when you send someone to Amazon and they purchase. Now, different categories have different percentages. Stuff on electronics is obviously lower commissions, but if someone buys like clothes, makeup, and other things that they promote, like the tablets and things that Amazon creates, then you'll get a higher commission. And for the most part, it's a pretty cool program. I really like it. We currently use it in almost all of our videos, and I've really been building it to get daily sales on our Amazon affiliate program. All right, so MagicLinks works very similarly, but it has one feature that I thought was really cool. So MagicLinks doesn't work with Amazon, but they work with over 3,000 retailers. So all different kinds of businesses like Nike, Target, Walmart, Sephora, B&H Photo and Video. A lot of the stores that you guys know. So it doesn't have its own products. It works with a whole bunch of different stores. And when you send people to, let's say, Nike, as an example I'm going to show you, and someone buys some shoes from Nike that you promoted, then you are going to get a commission on that. Another cool thing about MagicLinks is that you also get paid to send traffic to these websites. So basically, even if they don't buy, you do get paid per click when people go to those websites. Now that's very beneficial because, I send hundreds of people to Amazon per day, but I don't get paid for those people just going there and not buying anything. I only get commissions when people buy certain things. But on MagicLinks, you can get paid for sending traffic to different websites without them purchasing. So this MagicLinks program is also free, and you also create your own magic link. Whereas on Amazon, there are Amazon links. These are MagicLinks, and then those are affiliate links. And then when people click on them and go to that website, you might get paid for that visit and or get paid for when they purchase. So here's an example where I used MagicLinks and not Amazon. So this is a video that I did where I was unboxing my Nike Metcon 4 ID shoes, and these were custom shoes because I got Dream Driven stitched on the back, and they're part of the whole custom ID line. And these shoes are in the purple color, and I actually changed the color on the sides of them as well because they were the custom ID, so you can customize these shoes. They don't have these shoes on Amazon, so I couldn't do an Amazon affiliate link to these shoes because they literally did not have them. I created them. They're only available through the Nike store. So if you scroll down here to the bottom of the video in the description, This is the magic link that I created through the MagicLinks website. And I've got two links here, one to the purple Metcon for ID shoes, which is this, and then one to the actual Nike store. I wouldn't be able to create this in Amazon Associates because these shoes aren't on Amazon and these were specially custom shoes. So they are available on Nike, which is available through MagicLinks. Now you can go through MagicLinks and check out all of the different websites that they have. They have a lot of the main ones. If you guys do want to check out MagicLinks, you guys can find the links down in the description below. I will also have a tutorial video on Amazon Associates on how to create an account if you guys haven't done so already. So on our YouTube channel, I use both Amazon Associates and MagicLinks. If the product is not on Amazon, then I will find it on MagicLinks and get the link from there so that whatever the product is, there is an affiliate link for potential commission. So like I said, I just started using MagicLinks and I've already earned a little bit from sending traffic to the various websites. It hasn't been much, but I can see that over time, if you have a video that potentially goes slightly viral or even gets thousands of views, that you can get, paid when people go through your MagicLinks, even if they don't buy anything. So I'll be creating more in-depth MagicLinks videos, but I just wanted to share this with you guys because you can use this with Amazon Associates in your YouTube videos when you are doing affiliate marketing through your YouTube descriptions. So like I said, if you guys are interested in checking out MagicLinks, I would head down to the description below and sign up through there. Alright guys, well thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Back from the dead.